Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I just want to let you know about some new free movies that are coming to the popular streaming app Tubi in February 2024. I am on a report here from Cord Cutter News, and I'm assuming you guys have all heard of Tubi as it is one of the most popular free streaming applications even in 2024. All you have to do is go to Tubi.com and you can start streaming thousands of free movies, TV shows, anime, documentaries, live channels, and more on any web browser. And if you have a streaming device, this application is available on the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, Amazon App Store, and Roku Channel Store. It has over 100 million downloads from Google Play, almost 2 million reviews. And guys, this is one of the best verified streaming apps even in 2024. So as I hop back over to the article from Cord Cutter News, and I will leave a link to this in the video description below, I just want to scroll through some of the titles that they are adding in February. So we have the categories here that they break it out. So action, I'm sure you guys may recognize some of these titles: Godzilla, Mr. and Mrs. Smith, Punisher, Push, The Informer. So all sorts of titles coming in February. They even have the projected dates here of when these titles will arrive on the Tubi platform. We have some anime titles, we have some cinema, some comedy, Pineapple Express. I'm just looking at some of these notable titles here. Hall Pass, that's a really funny one. Documentary, drama, horror movies. There's some notable horror movies here. Kids and family. We have romance, sci-fi and fantasy, thriller, and even Western. There's some Western titles here. So these are all the titles officially coming to Tubi in February of this year. And again, be sure to click the link in the description below if you want to get more details on the exact titles being released. So guys, one other thing I want to mention about Tubi is that if you are located outside of the United States, there are only a few other regions where Tubi is supported. So Canada being one of them, Australia being another, Mexico, Puerto Rico, Latin America, UK and EU countries, Tubi is not currently available. So guys, if you are located in a region that does not support Tubi, you will have to connect to a VPN inside a supported region such as the United States or Canada. And I will show you how to do that here as I'm going to hop over to my Amazon Fire Stick, and I also want to show you the Tubi application on Amazon Fire TV devices for a better streaming experience in my opinion. So let's hop over to my Amazon Fire Stick and check out Tubi. All right, so I just plugged in my second generation Fire TV Stick 4K Max, but guys, you can find the Tubi application on any Amazon Fire Stick, Fire TV, or Android TV device. As all you would do is hover over Find, click Search, and then you would simply type in Tubi and you can install it from the Amazon App Store. As you'll see Tubi TV right here. Now I already did that, as you'll see Tubi is here towards the front of my apps list. So the first thing I want to do is launch Surfshark VPN, and you'll see here I'm connected to a server located in the United States. As I previously mentioned, if you are not in a supported area for Tubi like the United States, you will not be able to access the thousands of free movies and TV shows that Tubi has to offer. Now, if you are in the market for a VPN, I do have a special discount link below this video for Surfshark that not only is the best discount available, but also helps support myself and this channel. So now that I'm connected to Surfshark in a United States server, I'm going to go ahead and launch the Tubi application on my Fire Stick. So when launching for the first time, you're going to have to give it a few seconds to boot up here. All right, then it will take you to this screen here where it says welcome to unlimited movies, TV shows, and news channels. Now you can go ahead and click next, but I'm going to click skip. As one of the best parts about Tubi is you don't even need to sign up for an account to start streaming content. You'll see on the right here, it says Tubi is better when you sign in. And there are a couple benefits of signing in. You can get playlists, save your progress, curated content, stuff like that. But I'm going to click continue as guest, and you can get all of these same, movies and TV shows without even logging into an account. So if this is your first time using Tubi on an Amazon Fire Stick, if you hover over to the left, you'll see all the different options here. There's home, there's kids, there's my stuff, categories, networks, and then Espanol. But even on the home screen, if you scroll down, there's all these different categories. There's recommended channels, leaving soon, action, thrillers, recommended TV, comedy, horror, etc., etc. And if you hover over to the very top, you'll see there's an option for all movies, TV shows, and live TV. So if you click movies, this will categorize it by just movies specifically. Again, if you scroll down here, there's all sorts of categories. Looks like they just added, here's one of those titles actually, guys, that I just talked about on that Cord Cutter News article. So really cool to see some of these titles already being added to the Tubi platform that does an excellent job of updating its content library. So those are some of the movies here. And if you scroll up, you can also do the same for TV shows. I'm going to click TV shows. And if you scroll down, you'll see there's featured, there's action. Just looking through here, there's a lot of notable titles on the TV show section. So I'm just scrolling through the featured option. If you scroll down, they have action, thrillers, recommended TV, comedy, docuseries, romance, horror, sci-fi, westerns, etc., etc. A lot of great options for TV shows. And also, guys, I didn't even mention this, but one of the best things about Tubi is that they also added live channels to their library here. So not too long ago, I believe this was a couple years ago, Tubi added live TV channels. Now, as I scroll down, I don't know exactly how many channels there are in total. If I had to guess, probably around 50, maybe between 50 and 100 live channels. But it has some notable options here. Ion, if I go to featured, we have Fox Sports, a lot of sports options, PGA. Look at these options here as I scroll down. We have a lot of news content, local channels, NBC, CBS, USA Today, Cheddar News, all sorts of options as I'm scrolling through here. So that's it, guys. Again, just wanted to do a quick video as I click back into movies, letting you know about some of these new titles that Tubi is adding to its platform in February. And I also just saw some of those titles here as I was scrolling through, and we're not in February yet. We are at the end of January as of the recording of this video. So again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you all watching this video. Be sure to like this video. Leave me a comment below. Guys, I do enjoy going through all of your comments as it does help me for future video ideas. Guys, also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a great day.